So let's go to the Syndicate waterfall and Little Zion in Dublanc, Dominica. Check this out.
People say the ticket price way too high, so they're not going home, but not me, even if it's me alone. Hi, my name is McNal Moses, and welcome to Little Zion Cafe and Syndicate Falls. At Little Zion Cafe, you can get your beverages after you do your Syndicate hike down to the waterfall. It's very easy, it's very sightseeing as well, so you would enjoy the ambience of the place as well as the birds and the different foliages that we have to offer. And after you enjoy yourself down there, you can always come and reel down, taking some of our